Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This video is about how to make popcorn at home. There are two types of popcorns. One is butterfly popcorn, another one is mushroom popcorn. In this video, I am going to prepare butterfly popcorn with two different flavors. Let's see how to make this popcorn. For this, we need dried corn seeds, which is easily available in the market. Take sufficient amount of seeds and put it in a bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of ghee and 1 tablespoon of salt. Ghee makes the popcorn soft and salt gives the taste. Mix it properly. Before placing in the pan, we have to prepare the seeds like this. This will give the excellent taste popcorns. And then take a pan, thick bottomed pan, preheat the pan with high temperature. After that, reduce the flame to the medium, then place the seeds. After placing the seeds, spread like this. After completing, close the pan using the lid. Don't close it completely, give some gap for the vent. And then it will take 40 seconds to start to pop. After it starts to pop, approximately it will take 1 minute to complete this process. Two things we have to keep in mind. One is before placing the seeds in the pan, we have to preheat the pan. And second one is mix the corn seeds with fat. We can use anything, butter, ghee, oil. This fat gives the softness to the popcorn. Look at this, popping so beautifully. Now it is almost completed. In this stage, switch off the flame and open the lid. The delicious popcorn is ready. Transfer this popcorn into a bowl and serve it. That's all, popcorn is ready. I'm going to prepare another flavor. For this flavor, I'm using 2 tablespoons of butter, salt, 1 tablespoon and pepper according to your taste. I'm approximately adding 1 teaspoon of pepper. That's all. Follow the same method. You will get the delicious flavored popcorn. Follow the two steps carefully. First one is before placing the seeds in the pan, you have to mix like this. Second one is preheat the pan before placing the seeds. That's all. You will get the delicious popcorn. I hope you all love this video, also very useful and informative video. Thank you. If you like this video, please support and subscribe my channel.